In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom questions on Notebooklm. To get started, open Notebooklm and go to the notebook where you want to work. This can be any notebook you have already created, as long as it has the sources you want Notebooklm to use, like documents, notes, or other reference materials. The quality of your custom questions depends on the quality of the sources, so it helps if your notebook includes clear, relevant content. Once your notebook is open, move to the prompt or chat area where you type instructions for Notebooklm. Click into the text box so your cursor is active and you are ready to write. Now type this prompt exactly. Generate 10 custom questions based on these sources. Take a moment to confirm the wording before you submit it because clear prompts lead to more useful results. This specific prompt tells Notebooklm to look at the sources inside your notebook and create a set of questions that match that information, rather than generating generic questions. When you are ready, hit enter. Notebooklm will process your request and return a response with 10 questions. Give it a second to finish. When the answer appears, quickly scan through the questions to make sure they fit what you need. If your notebook sources cover multiple topics, you may see a mix of question types, such as definition questions, comparison questions, or questions that check understanding of key ideas. This is normal, and it can be helpful for studying or building a review set. Next, you will save this set of questions so you can come back to it later without having to generate it again. Look at the response you just received and find the pin icon associated with that answer. Click the pin icon to save the response as a note. Pinning is useful because it keeps important outputs organized inside your notebook, so you can reference them whenever you need, especially if you plan to build more notes or study materials from the same sources. After you pin it, your custom questions are stored as a note in the notebook, ready for review and reuse. That covers everything you need to know.